Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to limit laptop data usage. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to click on the search, type in settings. Then from settings, click onto network and internet tab on the left hand side. Now we can see the data usage on the top right hand corner, so you're going to see a quick rundown of your data usage. From here, go in and click onto Wi-Fi. Now I'm using this Wi-Fi here, so I'm going to click into that. Now from here, under your properties, we want to go ahead and look for metered connection. So some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. So go ahead and enable this. Then below that, we can set a data limit to help control data usage on this network. Now from here, we can go ahead and enter that data limit. So on the right, we can go ahead and click on enter limit. Then we can choose daily, weekly, monthly, one time, unlimited. So say monthly, I want to set data limit to say, we can change units to gigabytes. So say if I want 100 gigabytes, I can do that. Click onto save, and this can reset every month on the 1st. So yeah, you can have a play around. So this is the best way how to limit laptop data usage.